So the following question is asking what will this code output? And this question is very similar to the one before, but we're using the built-in pop function as well. So we can see that, we can see that our stack is made of integers. And so I'm going to draw our stack out. And so first we're going to push in 1, and then we're going to push in 2. We're going to pop 2. So that means that we will no longer be having this 2, because we're going to pop it, and then we're gonna push in 3, and then we are going to pop this 3 out, right? And so you can kind of see we didn't really save what we popped, so it will not be printed out while we print out. And so when we pop our last one, we're gonna output 1. So this is the correct answer.